Guys, we're going to the market today. You guys coming with me? Check out the guys today.
Yeah, dude.
Some of them are guys, the ones that are watching. A lot of them are guys.
Who find Kaiya attractive?
I don't think so.
I think
You guys are sure slicked up today for a market.
we always look nice at markets.
Well, yeah, I guess
We always dress up for markets.
I'm
So
all dressed up too. Got my hat. I got my funny hat with me.
he got his funny hat. It's so he can pretend he has hair and some color in it.
Carrot top.
Huh?
Carrot top.
Yeah, carrot top Phil. Did you get?
I had fried squirrel legs and chicken beaks
Trying to squeeze one last weekend.
Phil.
and a fresh hot cup of gooey stuff.
He eats snails.
What did you have? Wrap and what else? Your blur. Wait, never mind.
French vanilla.
Fresh vanilla and pumpkin spice latte and this wrap. And you have
Snails for breakfast.
I have nothing. See? Nothing.
You're driving. Keep your hands on the wheel. He has what is it? What was your coffee? Black, just with one.
Double
cream?
double.
Was it a double double?
Oh, no. It was a medium decaf, 1 and 1.
Okay. And the wrap he didn't open yet because he's driving.
Same as yours.
Same. Yeah.
Yeah. Sausage wrap.
Sausage wrap. Our almost finished table of this market. All natural stuff, except the candles, but everything else is homemade and everything. Phil decided to come with us to the market. A lot of people. We're done the market. Did we do well, Phil?
Done, Mark. We did poorly.
You're really a natural for this camera thing.
Bring all kinds of cucumbers back. We got rid of some anyway.
We got rid of a lot of things.
A lot of things.
This was full.
A lot of things.
Now it's not. Got myself a dress up. There's a clip of Phil holding it.
Yeah, and she didn't buy me a dress.
He wants a dress. And then these
we
nice
go to the
ladies
White
give
House?
us some cotton
I
candy.
can wear a dress for the hot days.
Hot days. You want to wear a dress?
Yeah.
Are all the girls gonna come running?
Oh yeah, for sure.
They'll think you're one of them.
I wear pantyhose too. Don't worry about it. You won't see anything.
And I got myself some tea. Candy orange. Really nice.
How come there's a tomato on the floor?
I don't know.
Look at that. Leftovers.
Eat it. We did pretty good.
Okay, where we going?
Okay. I don't know.
Where are we going?
Terrace Bay?
We're in Terrace Bay.
Oh yeah, we are in Terrace Bay.
Are we gonna go up to the
Lighthouse?
waterfall?
Lighthouse.
Maybe we'll get some fries or something somewhere. Where can we get fries?
I don't know.
Hey, where can we get fries? Oh, I'm not asking the phone.
I don't think they know where.
Kaiya, where do we get fries?
I don't know.
Can you look it up on the internet?
I don't have internet on here.
No,
It's an iPod. It's not an iPhone.
that's a bummer.
Yes, it is a bummer.
Trade it in, get another one.
Are you gonna pay my monthly bills?
No,
Then I can't get one.
no. I can't get one either.
Wow.
Unless they take it, I take cucumbers for trade-in.
That would be good.
It's a good
A
idea.
cucumber for 100 texts or
Well,
minutes.
for an iPod.
For
Or
iPhone.
iPhone.
Yeah.
iPad or iPhone?
iPhone. You were talking about one with internet?
How can you eat that when you have a cold?
Here you go.
Take it off my finger. Not with
I
your
am.
mouth.
Stick it up my nose or what?
Ew. Candy up Phil's nose. Oh my goodness, candy up.
You know.
Ew. This is gonna be an interesting vlog. I need to put my seatbelt on. Don't hit me. Don't hit
She
me.
hit me.
Yeah.
I hit you.
Everybody hitting each other.
Ah.
He is a little kid in a
Okay,
man's body.
The mall area is
Look
where
at that
the...
statue they got back there. I wonder if I can get that from
What?
Oh, that woman
there,
statue?
look back there.
I don't see it. I don't see the woman.
Put that in my driveway.
That would be a little creepy.
Yeah.
You're weird.
Well, Johnny Dufour did that.
Ah.
They put mannequins in the driveway. And they dressed them up.
That's weird.
Put a head on him?
You're weird. Bye. Where did you take us?
What?
Where did you take us?
Drifters. Drifters restaurant.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Oh, he's scared.
Pot.
Okay.
So she's doing a shot of cream.
Yuck.
And this is my tea. That's Phil. What kind of tea did you have?
I don't know.
My viewers will find that really interesting. What kind of tea did you get?
I got green tea. Because I'm green, you're like, like
I got
greenhouse.
water.
Greenhouse tea?
Oh,
Greenhouse
I got.
tea.
I got water.
She got water. I got this mixed berry one.
It smells good. We've had it
Oh
before.
yeah, I'm gonna
I
have
think.
some. Pizza came. How is it? Ew. How was the pizza? Good?
Delicious.
You like it? I guess that's a yes. Pizza. Going up a lighthouse very quickly. Come on. Before we go to the falls.
Down.
I don't want to drop my iPad. Run. We told Phil we'll go fast. Good workout. Too high. Alright, here it is. I just wanted to show them the view of where we are right now. The pizza was good. I'm full now. Lake Superior, right over there. Pose. This is the lighthouse. And still it's right down there.
Fun pizza?
Oh, you're filming?
Full of pizza.
Oh my god, someone scared me. Oh, I have a strain in my neck. Oh, I pulled a muscle.
Somebody come and you guys behave yourself.
What did you say, Phil? Tell them what you said. You
No,
said-
they said I was a beautiful sight.
No, it was the waterfalls, not you.
Oh, they met me.
No, not you. Waterfall. Now I'm filming. I thought I was filming this whole time and I wasn't.
The water's making me dizzy.
Look at that. We always come here every year after the market, right, Phil? Oh, another waterfall / stream. What do you think, Mika? I don't have shoes for this, so this it's kind of crazy right now. I think I might have to do a part 1 and 2 for this video because this vlog is long. That would have been funny if it went in the water. Oh, Phil, wait! You fell.
Oh crap!
Mika?
Are you filming?
Yeah? Oh God. Phil, help me!
Help!
Oh, the other way around? Okay. You're not gonna carry me?
Edit my face and take off my clothes.
No. Ew. Alright, let's see if I can. Is the rock slippery? Look! I almost fell! There it goes. Is there fish? Can we eat it? You're lying. Oh gosh. I wish I had the strap on this thing. I don't want to drop it. Alright, I'm going to hold you guys really tight. Oh, I'm giving you a hug. Alright. Yeah? Huh? Yeah.
Don't get all wet.
Help me down, Phil.
Did you step on his toes?
I'm gonna go take some pictures now.
Water cold? No?
I smell it.
Wait. Let me feel. No, I don't. Make it let go of me. I hit my iPod. Gotta hold it tight. Oh, it's cold. It'd be nice. Oh my god! I'd save my iPod if I fell in.
Can you put a strap on?
Yeah, I have a strap, but it's at
Good,
home.
you can hold it, not even end up
Except the
losing.
strap goes on our arm.
Yeah, go on my wrist. Yeah.
Good. Good idea.
Yeah. I'm gonna take pics now.
Cause baby, now we got bad love. You know we used to be bad love. So take a look at your time.
That hurt?
No. Sorry.
You filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
You might want to put your muffs on.
No, this is fine.
Round 2.
Round 2. Okay, wait. I should maybe put the earmuffs on.
You stand here.
What's that, Kai?
Hold it.
Don't
Push it all
shoot.
the way.
I'm putting the earmuffs on.
You filming still?
Remember, you don't put your finger
What's
on the
it?
trigger
Okay.
until you're ready to pull it.
Go.
All over. Okay, now it's loaded. Don't touch the trigger. Hold this here tight against your shoulder so it doesn't hurt. There, you're all set. Ooh, closer. Did you see what you hit? Okay, empty it.
Is that fun?
Okay, wait now. Try it on one.
Really?
It's all part of the film.
It was.
Are you still filming?
Yeah. 1 second. I'm trying to. I put the earmuffs on wrong. I'm trying to put it on right. How do I put these on, Phil? Is this how you put them on?
Doesn't? Yeah.
Are you still
good.
filming? It's not even angling towards you.
That's good.
Go. Round number 3.
Just about, eh?
Did you hit beside it or no?
Maybe you hit it, but it just went right through it.
Let's go check. Let's go check. Let's take it. Let's go check. Phil. My ears are plugged.
Really? See, it makes a big shine on top for mine.
Oh my, oh my.
Oh, you didn't hit.
Not even close.
Where was it then?
Where'd it go?
See, there's one hit here. See? Look at
Oh.
it. Ended up in the bush over there somewhere.
Yeah,
I think it hit the garden.
one hit
I
the.
hope you didn't hit my hose.
Oh.
Hold tight and squeeze the trigger. Oh. Close, eh?
That was like. Are you doing it? You were so close.
Did I get it closer to you?
Maybe, eh?
It might be beside mine. I don't know.
Top a little bit.
All right, now you have to go a lot lower.
So how was that? Okay?
It hurt right here, but.
Mika,
This?
Yep. You gotta put the shell in.
don't touch the
It's in.
trigger.
Trigger until you're ready to shoot. But don't keep your thumb away from that.
Down?
Don't. Put your
Please
thumb
don't
up.
hit the target.
Yeah. Hold it tight. And when you're ready, just squeeze the trigger.
Go ahead. Let's try to hit it.
Where is this?
Yeah, it's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be your shoulder. All right, Phil's turn. Let's see if you can get the cucumber. Yours wasn't as loud as that. Yeah.
Hit the top of it or what?
Phil, don't do
just
it.
wait.
Why was your shot
Alright, is it
loud?
what? You want me to do it?
No, I only did it twice. And we're watching Phil do it.
Alright, let's see what Phil.
How come it was louder for Phil's?
It was?
Alright, let's see if Phil can get it.
Round number 2.
I'll hit the other one. That's good.
Alright.
Not even close.
No one's getting it!
Aim for the biggest
You
cucumber.
sure I didn't hit it?
You need to go lower.
Aim for the biggest cucumber.
Let's go check it out.
You did not hit it at all.
Nope. Cucumbers. Oh look, Phil.
Shot at this one here too.
Whose was that?
Phil's.
Was that Phil?
Yes, it's
Which
Phil's.
one was
There's
mine?
the
Mine
other
was,
one right there. See?
mine was super close. Where was mine?
Right there. I shot a little bit too high.
Where was mine, Phil?
Back there. Yours is the
Yours is right there.
That
That's
was
one of
yours, actually.
No,
Really?
Phil's.
Yeah, yours is the closest one.
Oh, full gauge.
Alright, 12 gauge. Yep.
Shotgun.
Next one for Phil.
Boom!
Are you doing it again?
One more.
Look at the minute. Alright, get the next cucumber.
Shotgun. Round number 2.
Woo!
See, it kicks, eh?
Yeah? That's awesome. I can't hear.
Let's go check out the cucumbers.
I'm gonna bring it in.
Alright, let's go see the cucumber, the aftermath. Oh, we totaled that.
Kai's driving a car. Will she fail? Will she
Push it in.
make it? Turn the music off so the driver can concentrate.
You put in the brake. Put it in gear.
I'm looking for
My
Your
arm
right
hurts
foot,
from
your
shooting
right
that gun.
Yeah. And then I have to get you to not third wheel. Ugh, I can't reach. Don't
Can't
laugh.
reach what?
My pedals are really
Hope you can reach the brake. As long as you can reach your brake, that's the main thing. Take it easy. Stay away from the trees.
Oh, like Kelly. Kelly in the Jeep.
Kelly and the Jeep ran into those trees
Ran
over
into
there.
the trees over
Did
there.
a good job right between the trees, eh?
Oh yeah, we almost hit it.
Just that big friggin' rock there.
Oh my god.
Well, I should have shut it off right away. I should have known.
Did she aim for the trees on purpose?
I don't know what she did. She got mixed up and excited a bit, and she stepped on the gas instead of the brake. That's what got me.
Me and Mom saw that, then we drove off with the
Right to
ATV.
the end. Kaiya in the road.
Alright. Oh, so I have to.
Can I try after?
No, we have to get
We're running out of time.
Can we go?
Bye next time.
Next time.
Wait, is it supposed to be 10-2?
Not really.
What's that?
Oh, where are your hands supposed to be on the wheel?
Yeah, 10 and 2. Yeah.
I don't know
Alright,
which.
10.
That's 10 and 2. Yeah. For sure, for sure.
Wait, at the end of this?
The nice firewood I got there.
Yeah, it's quite nice
You
firework.
just pull up there and then back up and then back.
Can I do them on the way back to the road?
Alright, now.
I drive
Brake.
safely.
Just gonna brake. Reverse.
Alright.
This is one of Kai's first time driving.
Actually, it's not.
I gotta cut up my firewood.
I know.
It's not my first time driving. In a while, I have not done it for a long time, so.
I don't like the gear things. Can't there just be a thing that you don't need a gear thingy?
You mean an automatic?
Yeah.
Adjustability? That's not real driving.
Some are like that now. Just push
Yeah.
the button and it changes gears.
Or how about you just...
I need a small car to drive. I'm on my tiptoes.
Yeah.
That is pretty bad.
Well, my mom used to have blocks tied to her pedals, eh? Like 2-inch blocks.
Really?
You might have to do that,
I
Kai.
might
Any
have
way
to
she
do
could
that
drive?
or get a car. Like,
Canvases?
And the gas pedal was up higher. Like, I guess, I'm not sure one of my brothers fixed it for her. When she was short, just same height as you?
She was 4'10".
Probably, yeah. About the same.
Then how are you so tall?
My dad.
How tall is your dad?
Same, just as tall as me.
Really?
Yep.
What's his name?
And Roger's taller than me because he got that from his mother's side, their grandpa on his mother's side.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video here.
Shotguns. We're still alive. We ate nothing. Drank water.
And pizza.
She drove a car. It's the wonderfulest end.
Yeah. Did you have a good day?
I had a good day. Nothing wrong with me today.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a good day today.
If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe.
Like is shooting. I'm the beautiful with the red hair.
Look at her nose!
Not like my nose is red.
She has a
sick.
cold.
I'm at the end of my cold.
Yeah, and I have a cold sore right here. It's so annoying.
Haha, you have cold.
Alright, subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!